What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me in another video. Today we're gonna go over my recently acquired 2021 Mustang GT Premium. So there's a few updates that I'm behind on, but I wanted to get a video out to you guys on this so that you could see it and I could talk a little bit about what the end game goal with this is. But so it's a 2021, like I said, Mustang GT Premium with the 20-inch wheels. Cool fact, these wheels are only offered in 2021, but I'll show you the interior. It is, it's almost fully loaded. The only thing I didn't care to option for was the digital gauge cluster, and which would also come with the heated steering wheel. And I did not get a performance pack model. A lot of people would be like, well, why? What's the point? And personally, to me, it wasn't worth it. With the performance pack, you do get upgraded suspension, sway bars, and I believe front brakes. The 6-piston Brembos, in case you guys like don't know much about them or whatever, the way I justified not needing them was I don't ever bring the car to the track. I'm never going to bring the car to the track. I do want to do some power adders to it down the line, but even then, these 4 pistons on the GT is really good. They're super refined, they're really well paired, and I could always upgrade the pads if I wanted a little bit more braking power. But honestly, to me, I didn't think the Brembos were necessary. If I was getting them, I was getting them just for the looks of them. So I'm going to eventually just powder coat these for the same exact reason. But it's got the heated and cooled seats, the 10R80. I specifically sought one out because I really wanted a 10-speed. I do enjoy driving manual, which is why I got the other car that I'll be making a video about later for you guys. But that's why I got the other car that I did, so that I could daily a manual and you know, still be able to enjoy that. But two things: one, this 10-speed is insane. It does, I mean, I can't even describe enough to you. So these cars need to stay in high RPM to be in their power band, and that 10-speed makes sure you're like top end of the rev range in almost every single gear. It's crazy. Like, you're if you get on it, you'll downshift and it'll go up to like 6,000 RPMs, and you'll stay within 500 RPMs of that through each gear when it upshifts, which is crazy. But I also got the 10R80 because I wanted my girlfriend to be able to drive it. And not that I couldn't teach her manual, but this is just supposed to be like a fun, enjoy it, it's a nice car kind of thing. And if we're ever on going on road trips or anything, we want to be able to take this, and the manual just wasn't that. Plus the MT82, its reputation made me not even remotely interested in thinking about it. So yeah, I got the 10R80. It's just a Gen 3 Coyote. I'm trying to think of what else. If you guys are curious, I paid MSRP at $47,500, and then they threw in a ceramic coating. It had a different name, I can't think of what it was, but threw in like a ceramic coating for free. And the crazy thing is with market prices right now, like they are, I've seen 1 to 2 year older cars with like 20,000 miles going for like $1,000 less than I paid for this, which is just insane. Like, I can't believe that's happening. I got it with the normal GT Premium spoiler over there, that very small bladed one. And I did upgrade it to the, I believe, GT 500 or early GT 350, I forget which spoiler. I wasn't really sure how I felt about it at first, because in the photos it's really hard to tell, but I absolutely love how it turned out. So yeah, this is just going to be a car that I'm going to own. I'm going to keep it stock, and if I do a car adder, Ford thankfully is smart enough to make it where you can get one that's warranted, have it installed by a dealership and keep your warranty. So I will be doing that, because if anything breaks on this car, I don't want to deal with it. That's not what this car is for. This car is just there to enjoy, eventually pay it off, and turn it into a fun daily or something. But thinking about maybe doing wraps. I do want to modify it in some ways, but I want to do simple stuff like maybe bag it, get some wheels and tires for it. It's definitely going to need tint because this fishbowl drives me nuts. Oh, that was the other thing it has. It has the Ford, what is it, Smart and Safe package or whatever, where you have the adaptive cruise control. And let me tell you, that is, I can't even think of the proper word to describe it. It's just so convenient. Like, I live near Nashville and I drive there a lot. If I'm driving there, traffic just jams up all the time for literally no reason. And with that on, it'll brake for you, and then it'll accelerate with the car in front of you. You can set how many car lengths you want. It's really nice to have that, and it also has lane keep and blind spot monitoring, which are both super useful. But yeah, so this is my new baby. It'll be holding up the garage. I do my best to keep it clean. I was driving it to work for like last week, so you can see the tires are all mucky and stuff, but I'm gonna get those cleaned back up. And I went through and used some Rio's Garage speed shine on it. Got it cleaned up real good. But super excited to make content about this. I'll have to explain it in the next video, but I do have a spoiler install video if you guys are curious about that, and then I will show you guys how I installed that one, because this is actually a different one, and I will talk about that. But yeah, here she is, my 2021 Mustang GT Premium. Super excited to have it. I've put about 2,000 miles on it in probably 2 to 3 months, if that. It's an absolute blast to drive. It's super comfortable. Power band, it's just super useful. The best mileage I've gotten on it is like 23, 24 already, which for a V8 is really good. That 10-speed helps a lot because you can cruise at like 95 at like maybe 2,500 RPMs, which is insane. But hope you guys did enjoy this quick video just introducing my Mustang. If you have any questions about it or anything you think are like really good mods for this platform, make sure to let me know, because I am new to this side of the V8 world. As you guys know, I came from GM V8s. But hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.